A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. Achievement of your happiness is the only moral purpose of your life, and that happiness, not pain or mindless self-indulgence, is the proof of your moral integrity, since it is the proof and the result of your loyalty to the achievement of your values. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. It only stands to reason that where there's sacrifice, there's someone collecting the sacrificial offerings. Where there's service, there is someone being served. The man who speaks to you of sacrifice is speaking of slaves and masters, and intends to be the master. Reason is not automatic. Those who deny it cannot be conquered by it. Do not count on them. Leave them alone. Reason is not automatic. Those who deny it cannot be conquered by it. Do not count on them. Leave them alone. The smallest minority on earth is the individual. Those who deny individual rights cannot claim to be defenders of minorities. Individual rights are not subject to a public vote. A majority has no right to vote away the rights of a minority. The political function of rights is precisely to protect minorities from oppression by majorities, and the smallest minority on earth is the individual. There are two sides to every issue. One side is right and the other is wrong, but the middle is always evil. Man's unique reward, however, is that while animals survive by adjusting themselves to their background, man survives by adjusting his background to himself.